Hello everybody, this is Sanjay and you're watching Vision Sanjay. So today we will be unboxing the Boat dual port rapid car charger. So what are we waiting for?
Here you go. I have already opened up the upper cover. So in this cover we have the bill. So here you can see the price is $5.99. So let's keep it aside, and we have the main product. Look towards our main product, that is Boat rapid car charger dual port. Its slogan says that plug into Nirvana, and it has the feature of Qualcomm's QC 3.0, that is Quick Charge 3.0. This is an awesome feature because you're getting the just for some look towards the specifications of this product. As its name indicates, it has dual port. That means it has two ports, the one with an option of 5V 2.4 ampere output with smart integrated circuit. So in this port, using this port we can charge our normal smartphones, and the other port, which is the main feature of this product, features the Qualcomm Quick Charge technology 3.0 version. So with this port we can charge our smartphones, which can support the quick charging. In just 35 minutes we can charge up to 80%, which is awesome. So this product says that the MRP is $9.99, but in Amazon we can get this product for just 600 rupees. Now let's unbox this product. So here we go. I have removed this. Actually the packing is pretty good. I love this packing. So here we have the main product, that is Boat car charger, and this is the USB port. You have to see this threading like work, like cloth like work here. The cable insulation is pretty good, and here you can see the boat indication, and also here you can see the boat indication. So inside this we have a card, like visiting card, and there's nothing more here. So let's keep the box aside and look towards our main product, that is the Boat charger. So here we can see the branding of Boat, and then here you can see the indication of the main feature, that is Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. and if we go like this, and here you can see the model name is Dual Rapid QC 3.0. Input is 12V to 24V. Mostly in almost all the cars we can see 12V as the output for a car charger, so it's good. And output 1 white, we have two outputs, as you know, dual ports. The first one has an output of 5 volts and or 2.4 amperes, and the output 2 has 3.6 to 6.5 volts, or you can say it has 3 amperes. And this product is made in China. It's common. So here you can see the main thing of the one with the red is the Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0, and the one with the white is a smart charger, the normal one. So with this we can charge our normal smartphones, and with this we can charge smartphones like OnePlus 6 and any other smartphones which support quick charge option. Now let us look towards the USB cable. It has branding of Boat at both the side. So you can see here BO80 Boat, BO80 Boat. So you have to see this USB cable, the texture of this USB cable. It's really awesome. You will feel the premiumness when you touch this, when you hold this, when you keep this in your hand. And this is the product of Boat. So when you ask me if this product is worthy or not, I would say it is great worthy, because this one product is really premium, and this product also supports Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3.0, which is very much needed in this era of smartphones. If you don't have a smartphone which supports quick charging, but also it is the best product, because if you ever make your mind to buy some high-end smartphones with quick charging option, then this product will be very much useful for you. So I'm saying this.
This is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And that's it. Thank you.